96 Highfield Road in Lindfield is perfectly positioned near schools, shops and all the amenities that you would expect in Lindfield. This well-proportioned family home sits on a very generous block of approximately 1,070 square metres. This home has an abundance of living spaces, starting with this formal living area, complete with north-facing window, high ceilings and this combustion fireplace. Centrally located formal dining area which leads straight in off the kitchen. Moving into what would have to be my favourite room in the house. There's space for casual dining, but this casual living space with wraparound floor-to-ceiling windows has got to be the best room in the house. This outdoor living area flows directly out from your casual dining and from the kitchen and holds a commanding position over most of your 1,070 square metres of land and of course your in-ground swimming pool. I love the opportunity that this home presents. With its generous floor plan and fantastic block of land, there's a little bit of cosmetic work that could be done here to truly maximise the potential. However, the owners have done a few things, like recently updating this modern glass pool fence. This downstairs fourth bedroom has its own living and dining space, an eat-in kitchenette and its own bathroom. With scope for improvement or ready to move into right now, there is something for everybody at 96 Highfield Road in Lindfield.